Have you ever used the phrase slap on the wrist? A slap on the wrist means a mild or minor punishment. It's like a gentle reminder to behave rather than a serious consequence. But where did this phrase come from? Well, let's travel back to the 18th century. Back then, teachers or parents would literally slap a child's wrists as a small reprimand. It was a way to correct behavior without being too harsh. Over time, this literal act turned into a figurative expression. Now it's used to describe any light punishment, not just physical ones. So, next time you hear someone say he just got a slap on the wrist, you'll know they are talking about a minor penalty. Right, that's pretty neat. Stay curious and keep exploring those fascinating tidbits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bite-sized knowledge. How about testing your knowledge on idioms? We have 2 quizzes linked on your screen, and you can add your score to the comments at the end. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a nice day. Stay well, and we will see you in the next one.